Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video we just want to take a quick look at the subtle differences between the 7900 XT and XTX from XFX. This is called the Speedster Merc 310, and there are some differences between the two. First off, packaging wise, it's going to come in a similar box, same instructions, same everything. You even get your GPU sag bracket that's at the back there, and hardware to, prevent your GPU from sagging. Nothing too special there. But packaging or boxing, as far as changing it from XT to XTX, basically the same damn thing. But looking at the heatsink or the overall design, the GPU shroud, very similar, as you can see. Fan sizes about the same, about 92 millimeters, I believe is what I measured last time. Obviously, the big difference is going to be the power delivery. We got dual 8-pin here, if it will focus, versus triple 8-pin here. We still maintain our dual BIOS, which XFX usually does on both of these cards. And the cooler, the heatsink, you could tell it's a little bit bigger on the XT. Just a hair bigger compared to the 7900 XT. The XTX is a little bit bigger, and especially the backplate. Now this card fits my system, at least aesthetically, very well with this black backplate. However, with the XTX, you will see that it has a little bit of a beefier backplate. And the good news is both of these have thermal pads on the backside connecting the PCB to the backplate. So the backplate is doing a little bit of work to help keep that GDDR6 nice and cool. But the silver one, while aesthetically it may not fit in every system, it looks really beefy. I think this would do a really good job drawing that extra heat away. And because of the kind of slits in it, as far as fan or radiating that heat away from the memory, I think that does a really good job. Obviously, to keep the pass-through area not as big as NVIDIA, but does have a pass-through area for hot air to escape out the back side of the card, going towards the top of the case. And it's basically the same, but a little bit different. Not a whole lot has changed between these two models, but definitely some subtle differences between the two. This one is just a hair heavier than this card, but obviously that goes down with the heatsink design and all that good stuff. So you're going to get your normal 3 display, 1 HDMI on both of these cards, and you should be able to run all your monitors and everything that you need. But not much of a difference between these two, obviously, except for more power because of the triple 8-pin and the thicker heatsink, and then a nice little back plate. That's the biggest. That's the only 3 differences I could really say between these two models. I did notice one thing last minute. Look at the edition name. Mercury 310, Mercury 310 Black. Maybe that's what gets you to silver backplate models. But that is the 7900 XT and XTX from XFX, the Speedster Merc 310, and some of the differences between the two. Hope you enjoyed this video, but do me a favor on the way out, make sure to hit the like button, get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, all that good stuff, and check out some links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.